let us see how we solve one-step equations. So we have x plus 5 is equal to 11. So we want to isolate x here, so we can go ahead and subtract 5 both sides. So 5 and 5 cancels on the left. We remain with x is equal to 11 minus 5, right? So therefore, x is 6, right? 11 minus 5 is 6. In the same way, we have x minus 2 is equal to 13. We don't want negative 2 on the left, so we can add 2, right? Add 2 on the left and do the same on the right side. So 2 and 2 cancels. We remain with x is equal to 13 plus 2. So that x is 15, okay? Next, here we have 4x is negative 12. Here we don't have a sum or a difference to the value of x here. We are just multiplying x by a number 4. So to isolate x, let us divide throughout by 4, on the left by 4 and on the right by 4. So 4 into 4, it's 1. We remain with x is equal to negative 12 divided by 4. So that x is what? Negative 3, okay? Okay, what about the last one? We have x divided by 6 is 2, right? What do we do? We can multiply both sides by 6, right? So on the left side, I have 6 multiplied by x divided by 6 is equal to 2 multiplied by, or let me write 6 multiplied by 2. So this 6 and the 6 cancels. That was the purpose. We multiplied throughout by 6. So that x is 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So that is how we solve this kind of problems.